tunnel tease. What you think? Oh, she's shaking it.
He's not even laughing. It's not funny.
He's thinking, boy, is this weird, is what he's
He doesn't
thinking.
get how funny it is. In a few years, he'll think it's hilarious.
I don't want to see this on YouTube, brother, I tell you.
Yeah. We're going to put it on YouTube, Mommy.
I'm calling it a tunnel tease. It's the new Robot Senior.
It's gotta go. I really think it's serious YouTube material.
I do.
Jonah, isn't it funny what Grandma's doing?
Oh, Lord. Well, I taped it. Oh, God, help me. Get a life, kid. Get a life. You think Mommy Milk is your life? What are you going to do when you go to college?
Come on, Shari, this is going to go on YouTube. Be nicer.
What?
What are you going to do when you go to college? Am I going to have to move with you?
I'm getting tired.
Am I going to go to college with you?
Okay, so do the big finale, Ma.
I don't know how.
She doesn't know what the end is.
Make up a finale. You're making up the dance.
But we want to go to dinner. Do you want to have an ice cream sundae at California Pizza Kitchen?
Oh my gosh, like your
She's
grandma
stuck.
is
She's
a
stuck.
nut.
Are you
Wait,
stuck?
wait.
It's over.
Wait a minute, look your head up. Look
It's
your head
over.
up. She's a little nutty.